Is negative 5 a solution to this equation? 6x plus 5 equals 5x plus 8 plus 2x. So what we have to do to figure out if negative 5 is a solution is we have to plug negative 5 into every single x. So we're trying to figure out, does 6 times negative 5 plus 5 equal 5 times negative 5 plus 8 plus 2 times negative 5. This piece is negative 30 plus the 5. And this piece is negative 25 plus 8 minus 10. Over here we have negative 25. And over here we have negative 27. Right, negative 25 minus a 10 makes negative 35 plus 8 is negative 27. So, are these two things equal? No. That means that negative 5 is not a solution to this equation.